Alright. I'm going to try a different mode, see how this works. 5:52 p.m. March 10th, 2014. Y'all can check out my head while I'm peering down to see if I can see the lights. And it's a long day. And it's bright. 75 degrees. I like 75 degrees. With the wind blowing, it's really nice. That's why I've got the window open. A little warm, but it's because we're not used to it. Very nice. I did notice I yawn a lot. And I'm thinking that's coming from an outside kind of observer kind of. Whoa. Two entrances. Pick the one that's furthest. Okay. That is a blue car. I'm blue da boo dee da boo da da boo dee da boo da. See, I get sidetracked pretty easily. I did notice my driving, instead of looking at the camera, it's not just looking at the camera though. It's like I'm looking all around, you know. And keep saying keep your eyes on the road. My eyes are on the road. Well, I can't. Well, the stuff on the periphery too, making sure stuff's not coming from the side. But if you were to put a camera in front of yourself and just have it record you, see how often you stay staring straight ahead. So I stare at my beautiful bald spot for a little bit. That'll make you feel better. It's hypnotic. It really is. Green light. Tell everybody. I like Imagine Dragons, by the way. Yeah, let's see. Update on the. Okay, this was the experiment. The experiment was to take adult mammal cells, and then break them down to their base. I think is what was said, and then basically take those cells. Well, really, what it was is put them in a low acid bath, and then just beat the shit out of them over and over again. Now, supposedly, what they said was that the cells not only survived this brutal process, but they had regenerated to a younger, almost stem cell kind of state, which would be awesome. The idea was so cool. Rejuvenating adult stem cells or cells, if it could have been reproduced anyplace else. You do it over and over and over and over and over and over and over again until you know, hey, this works really good. Supposedly they'd done it. They'd done their work. They'd done it a few times, and it turned out fine. I mean, you don't just do it once and publish a paper. But so much doubt has been cast on it that the original scientists like, you know what? Let's pull the paper. Let's pull it. Let's do our tests. Let's find out why these other people can't do it. See if it's something specific for where we are. Yada yada. Maybe they're sitting on top of the ruins of the Tree of Life or some bullshit. I don't know. But at least, I'm kind of like, that's good scientific dealing with it, It takes out the whole embryonic stem cell issue. You don't have to, have almost babies. It's like having the egg and fertilizing it, but not with a sperm, but with enzymes so that it starts to create stem cells. The daddy and the mommy love each other very much, and then the stork brings in a baby. Keep your cord blood, and if you want to eat your placenta, you get on that. Open wide. I hear it's best if you jerky it. That's more than I need to get into with you right now. And I hope they figure out this whole thing with stem cells rejuvenating, and if it actually works, and if it does, that's awesome, because that's a breakthrough in science that needs to happen. But I still think that the spray-on skin is pretty awesome. I think it's really, really neat.